Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can deploy your React application. So I will be hosting this website on Netlify. So currently this is running on localhost 3000. So let me show you on the terminal. So here you can see that compiled successfully, running on localhost 3000, and here is the network IP. And now we're gonna build this application using the command npm run build. Alright, so if you will see on the editor, you will be getting the package.json file. So here you will be getting the script like build react scripts build. Alright, so first of all I am going to install Netlify into my system. So npm install Netlify -cli -g. So you need to install this package first. So once done with the installation, you need to create an account on Netlify. So let's see on the browser. Here we have app.netlify.com sign up. So you need to sign up with any of these options. So I'm gonna sign up with my email address. So once you sign up with the Netlify, you need to verify the email address. So here you will be landing to the dashboard of this Netlify. So currently we don't have any project over here. So if you will see on the builds or maybe sites, you will get nothing over here. Alright, but for now we are interested to create the new project here. So let's do that. So we need to go here. So here you have to check the Netlify status. Netlify status. So currently you are not logged in, so you need to log in first. So there is a command Netlify login. So here you have to click on authorize. So authorization granted. And now you again return back to the terminal. So we need to create a build of our website. So we have npm run build. So now we created the build of our React application, and you can see that we have this folder here, build, and inside of it everything is included. Alright, so now we are interested to launch our website, deploy our website on Netlify. So before doing that, we need to do one thing, like we have a command Netlify sites create. So here you have to write some details, like I have Muhammad Ramzan 212. Then after I have site name, this is optional, you need to press enter, it will automatically take. So here you can see that here we have admin URL here, and this is site ID, which is unique ID. So currently if you will access this on the browser, you will get something. Yeah, this is about to deploy. I mean, you have actually created the site for the Netlify deployment, but currently it is not available here. All right, so let's do the deployment now. So we have a command here like Netlify deploy. So here we have create and configure a site. We are going to press the enter a site ID, and enter the site name. So we have no need to enter anything. So we have published directory here. So which directory we wanted to deploy? So that is /build. Why? Because we have this build over here and we are interested to deploy this one. So you need to enter the and press the enter key, and now our website is going to be deployed. All right, one last command that we need to put here is Netlify deploy production --prod. Here is the command. So you need to press enter. And again we have published directory. We need to mention ./build, and finally we end up with the website which is available on Netlify. So let's see over here. So we have website URL here, unique deployment URL. So let's access this one onto the, and I'm also going to refresh this one. So you can see that our website has been deployed successfully, and we have also the URL here. So if you will be clicking over it, you will see that your website is live now. So you can see that this URL is the Netlify URL, which is just over here. I mean, whatever project we will have launched on the Netlify, that would be shown here, and using this URL we could able to access that. So one more thing I like to mention here, that if you have routes into your project, so maybe those would not work. So in order to make them work, you have to go to the public folder, and here you have to create a file, and the file name should be _redirects, and inside of it you have to write /star/index.html and then 200. So in this way you could able to access your routes easily. You need to save this and again create a build and deploy that build again, and then you will end up with the solution for the redirection. I mean the routes would be accessible afterwards, right? So if you are thinking that you are facing such type of issues, so you should do this. Definitely it will work for you. All right, so this was all about that how we can create a React build and then deploy on Netlify. So this is really simple and free of cost. Actually, we need not bother about the hosting and all. So the Netlify is providing the hosting server to host your website. You only need to create a build and then after deploy on Netlify, and finally you end up with the URL which would be accessible on live, I mean publicly accessible. So these are the few things that we discussed today. So in the next video we will be learning other things as well. So if you haven't understand anything, or you have any doubt, or you are still facing any issue while deployment, feel free to ask the questions in the comment section. I will definitely try my best to answer you as soon as possible. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description.
which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.